Okwemelaru Ekene Maria Ijutel na Gracia Osebruwa Nonyeli Ede Ngozi n'etiti Igbo niile Ọjazi Ngozi nwafọ gị bụ Jesu
Maria Jaso Nenke Chukwu Yabala Ikonde Jayo Kita Namanya Wai Amen.
Jabara anyị ayọ ọnne nke Chukwu dị asọ
Kowe weto nyata nkwa nke Kristi.
ayịyọ anyị na-arịọ gị o Chukwu kiri nye Gracia n'ime obi anyị ka anyị bụ ndị nje butere ozi ọma wee mara iwelarụ Kristi nwa gị site n'afọ ya na obe ya wee bata n'otuto na mbilite n'ọnwụ ya site na Kristi dị nwe anyị.
Amen.
Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Ịtọ dị n'ịtọ na ịtọ na-ekwo niile n'ụwa ebebe. Amen.
Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Ịtọ dị n'ịtọ na ịtọ na-ekwo niile n'ụwa ebebe. Amen.
Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Ịtọ dị n'ịtọ na ịtọ na-ekwo niile n'ụwa ebebe. Amen.
Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga.
So n'ekpere nke Chukwu ka ha zuru ike na ndokwa.
Ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa.
Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ.
Nọnyekwa.
Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Good evening and welcome to EBEONADI103.5 FM News Update. Today, Friday, the 8th day of November 2024, and the time is 3 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efanshuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Anambra Commissioner Bianca Ojukwu's appointment won't affect APGA's chances. Imo Assembly hails a renaming of IICC in honor of Iwanyang Oti, renames Abia State Polytechnic after Ogbonnaya Ono 2 die in Imo explosion. Police. Super Osimhen nets a brace to spur Galatasaray to big win over Tottenham. Nissan to lay off thousands of workers as sales drop. Now, details. Anambra Commissioner Bianca Ojukwu's appointment won't affect APGA's chances. Lawman for Anambra State Commissioner for Information says President Bola Tinubu appointed Bianca Ojukwu as Minister of State for Foreign Affairs to ensure representation of the Southeast Zone in his administration. On October 23rd, Ojukwu, a chieftain of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, APGA, was named as one of the 7 new ministers. Her appointment as a Minister of State for Foreign Affairs stirred reactions within and outside the country's political class. According to Mefo, Tinubu's choice of Ojukwu is strategic, intended to help him establish stronger connections within the Southeast. He also assured Nigerians that Ojukwu's role in the federal government will not impede APGA's position in the Anambra State politics. President Tinubu is trying to make an inroad into the Southeast, and he sees Bianca as one who could help him, he said. Imo Assembly hails renaming of IICC in honor of Iwanyang. Imo State House of Assembly has hailed the renaming of Imo International Conference Center after Chief Emmanuel Chukwuemeka Iwanyang, the late Ohaneze Ndigbo President General, by Governor Hope Uzodinma. The decision of the lawmakers followed the adoption of a motion moved by the member representing Mbitolu constituency, Innocent Ikpemezie, who expressed gratitude to the state government for heeding to the appeal earlier made by the House. Addressing the House, the Mbitolu lawmaker noted that the renaming of the ICC after the late leader of Ohanaeze Ndigbo is a mark of respect to what Iwanyang represents in the political space of the country. He maintained that the only way to honor the late leader is by immortalizing him in order to show how dear he was to Ndigbo in particular and Nigeria as a whole. Ikpemezie pointed out that the state government has done well in honoring the late Igbo leader who he described as a great son of Ndigbo, an elder statesman. The House, on September 10, 2024, had urged the governor to immortalize the late leader of Ohanaeze Ndigbo by renaming the IICC in his honor. Oti renames Abia State Polytechnic after Ogbonnaya Onu. Abia State Governor-elect Oti has renamed the Abia State Polytechnic after Dr. Ogbonnaya Onu. The institution will henceforth be known as Dr. Ogbonnaya Onu Polytechnic Aba. Oti made the declaration at the International Conference Center, Umuahia, on Thursday when he received the body of the first elected civilian governor of Old Abia State, Ogbonnaya Onu, at the inter-denominational service organized in his honor. Oti, who said that the death of Ono in April this year created a social and political void that will be very difficult to fill, condoled the people of Abia and Ebonyi states, particularly Governor Francis Nwifuru, Ono's widow, and the children. He described the former minister as an accomplished statesman and trailblazer whose remarkable run in politics offered him the platform to serve as the first democratically elected governor of Abia State, Minister of the Federal Republic, former national chairman of the All Nigerian People's Party (ANPP), a former presidential candidate and a founding member of the ruling All Progressive Congress. Two die in Imo explosion, police. Two persons have died in Imo State following an explosion, police authorities have said. The spokesman of the Imo State Police Command, Henry Okoye, said the incident happened on Tuesday. He said two young men suspected to be members of the proscribed IPOB ESN were carrying an improvised explosive device on a motorcycle with the intention of planting it at Olo International Market near Mbare Okporo. Fortunately, the device detonated before they could carry out their plan, killing both individuals instantly and preventing what could have been a far more tragic outcome. Two passers-by were injured in the blast and were promptly taken to the hospital for medical treatment. Preliminary investigation suggests that the two deceased individuals may have been involved in earlier IED explosions in the Omoma and Olo communities on November 3, 2024, which resulted in injuries to two citizens. Further investigations are ongoing to confirm their involvement in this incident. In the wake of the incident, the Imo State Police Commissioner Aboki Danjuma visited the scene for an on-the-spot assessment. Super Osimhen nets brace to spur Galatasaray to big win over Tottenham. Super Eagles striker Victor Osimhen scored a brace for Galatasaray to help them secure a 3-2 win over Tottenham Hotspur in the UEFA Europa League. The Turkish champions profited early from their setup as Yunus Agon reacted well to a rebound off a free kick and sent a wicked strike into the top right corner of the Tottenham goal to make it 1-0. Osimhen got his first big chance a few minutes later when he was played through on goal, but his shot from inside the box was saved from the close range. Due to their high press, Galatasaray left spaces for Tottenham to exploit, and in the 18th minute, Lancashire scored for Tottenham to level the scoring. Nonetheless, Galatasaray were still the better side as they looked like the hungrier of the two teams. Osimhen got another big chance in the 31st minute as he was played through on goal by Dries Mertens. The Nigerian striker made no mistake this time as he sent a lower effort pass of Fraser Foster to make it 2-1 for the Lions. Just 8 minutes later, Osimhen struck again. This time, he got on the end of a cross from Mertens on the right and struck a precise volley from close range to make it 3-1. Osimhen got 80 minutes of action before he was taken off in the 80th minute, and the game eventually ended 3-2 in favor of Galatasaray. You are listening to News Update on EBEONADI103.5 FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Nissan to lay off thousands of workers as sales drop. Nissan has said it will lay off thousands of workers as it slashes global production to tackle a drop in sales in China and the US. The Japanese car-making giant says it will cut 9,000 jobs around the world in a cost-saving effort that will see its global production reduced by a fifth. Nissan did not immediately respond to a request from newsmen for details on where the job cuts will be made. The company employs more than 6,000 people as its manufacturing plant in Sunderland, northeast England. The company also cut its operating profit forecast for 2024 by 70%. It was the second time this year that the firm has lowered its outlook. These turnaround measures do not imply that the company is shrinking, said Nissan's chief executive Makoto Yoshida. Nissan will restructure its business to become leaner and more resilient. Nissan's shares were trading more than 6% lower on Friday morning in Tokyo. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Ebona the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Anambra Commissioner Bianca Ojukwu's appointment won't affect APGA's chances. Imo Assembly hears a renaming of IICC in honor of Iwanyanwu. Oti renames Abia State Polytechnic after Ogbonnaya Onu. Two die in Imo explosion. Police. Super Osimhen needs a brace to spur Galatasaray to big win over Tottenham. Nissan to lay off thousands of workers as sales drop. You just listened to news updates on Ebona the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Efa and Shuku Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on EBEONADI 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. EBEONADI FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. The challenges of documenting memories in the 21st century is gone. When you have Ebona the 103.5 FM here, what are you celebrating today? Birthdays, wedding anniversary, traditional wedding, chieftaincy conferment, or fala, etc. Approach Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi today to document your event. Ebona the 103.5 FM offers you live coverage of your events on radio and social media, video and photo coverages feature on magazines, photo books, and others, news coverage of political and other events. Take this offer and receive a complete coverage. For more information, call or WhatsApp 08065796599 or you visit Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Ogunike Boys inside Leovin Residency Hotel, Ogidi. Ogidi Kwenu. Ndogidi Kwenu. Adogidi Beauty Show is here again. Adogidi 2024. Now, una makweva for na keep as one. Ija wele. Are you up to 18 and above? Register now and win up to 1 million naira. Ebonwa Mulunogidi land or Wadiana. Come and represent your heritage where beauty, brain, and culture blends, empowering the women, enhancing excellence, beauty with a purpose, supporting education, and securing a future. For forms and inquiries, please call or WhatsApp 080-6329-0766 or 090-13566263. Social media platforms at Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook at Adogidi Beauty Pageant. Forms are available at all residency hotels nationwide. And the deadline for the registration is on the 10th of December 2024. Adogidi Beauty Pageant Show. Don't miss out. Arise. Kunye.
Dada yìí tó.
EBEONADI 103.5 FM. Napapoa production. Police vigilante. My business. When I was telling you, HJ radio drama, there we go. Akụkọ ihe mere n'ime ogbe ejije radio drama Eriko ga na-abịara gị every Monday 8 o'clock p.m. with a repeat broadcast on Saturday 3 o'clock p.m. na EBEONADI 103.5 FM. Ekwekwala ka akọlụ gị nke a akọlụ.
Oge ndị ime ahịa bụ nnekwu ohere ewepụtara maka ịkwalite ebe ife mmetụ aka gị ma ụlọ azụmahịa gị. Mara na ihe dị mma n'anya bụ nwanne. Kedu uru oge ndị ime ahịa ga-abara gị?
Uru oge ndị ime ahịa ga-abara gị bụ site n'oge ndị ime ahịa ị ga-enweta nnukwu ohere akpọrọ diskaụnt n'ọnụ bekee maka ịkwalite ebe azụmahịa gị. Mara na ya bụ ohere ga-amalite mgbe ọbụla EBEONADI wuchiri kpọmkwem n'ime ahịa.
Kedozi ihe na-eche? Gbapụ ya ọsọ kpọtụrụ ndị 103.5 FM n'akara ekwentị ndị a na 080-657-96599 ọzọkwakwa na 080-657-96599. Oge ndị ime ahịa, oge nnekwu ohere.
Vacancy. Are you a DJ? Do you speak English and Igbo language fluently? Submit your CV and the letter of application at EBEONADI 103.5 FM Ogidi, opposite Obunike Boys, inside Residency Hotel Leofin Ogidi, on or before Friday, 15th of November 2024. Residency Hotels Leofin Ogidi, Ogidi's #1 place for all type of events. Burunia Bewa from corporate to social gathering or any type of parties, even end of year parties from the club. We have air-conditioned hall, an outdoor space of a very good capacity. When Neviano come, let us celebrate your event in style. Residency Hotel Leofin Ogidi. If you are somebody with a zibote taste, when Emmanuel back in EDTR, I want delicious meals, drinks and spirits brewed in different parts of the world. For booking, call 081-45-67-8901. One more. Come, let's make your event come through the way it's dream or your plan of why. Residency Hotels Leofin Ogidi, Ogidi's best place for premium events. Ask for an amount again. Ngwakozialụ ndị ha gị.
Dollar for my hand, diamond for my wrist, brother on my feet, steady rocking Louis V.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. I see the subscribe button back here. You rock. Download,